Alright, y'all, I'm calling it a night, bro, because I don't know. Oh, yes, they pulled him over. Damn, it's 3 cop cars behind that nigga.
Damn, my twin got locked up.
What is good, YouTube, man? It's DeontaTv back with another video, man, and I'm outside, man. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, man. I'm about to meet up with my boy 2SS Fresh, man. We about to see where the night takes us. So right now, I'm on half a tank right now, y'all. I'm on half a tank. Can y'all see? Yeah, I'm on half a tank. Do y'all think I should get gas now or later? What y'all think? I can get it later. But yeah, man, we about to see what the night takes us, man. We're just about to ride out and see if we can catch some good car scenes or something like that. I don't know what we're really about to do for real, but he just told me to come outside, so that's what I'm doing. I'm outside with my boy, and I got to keep this content going for y'all boys. I'm not playing. I've been consistent, and I got to keep it going. So, man, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe for your boy, man. We're going up. So I'm going to turn the camera back on when Fresh pull up, man.
Can't have that copyright on
Yeah,
there.
chill. What's going on, my guy?
Can't have that copyright. What's going on? It's your boy 2SS Fresh. You see the ad. Make sure you go subscribe to me right now.
Make sure you go subscribe to my boy shit. Yeah.
Hey, man, we up, man. We
Better head out tonight. I don't know, we just really about to go out and see if we can catch some car scenes tonight. Cause you know, we just be riding around and catching this shit. We just recorders, that's it. We're just spectators, that's all. So yeah. So y'all, I'm gonna show y'all a little bit of us driving real quick. I don't wanna get the gas can, it's fresh in front of me. Popping. We got the goddamn vet. We got a Camaro vet.
Look.
Yeah.
Hey, tell my man to need gas in his car.
Oh yeah, hell yeah. What the fuck? Hell yeah.
That's dope, without a doubt.
What's going on, boy?
You alright?
Hell yeah. But hell yeah, they out here.
He said he got 60 miles. No.
Fuck no.
He said no.
Hell nah. What we finna do?
Yeah.
Hell no.
Do you think I need more gas? Check me out.
I'm at half a tank. Where your gas tank at? He had that vet, motherfucker. I don't even know where the gas at, no. Where the gas at, nigga?
It right here. It's half a tank.
Oh no, you good. I'm at half a tank too, so you should.
But this shit be when I get it.
Oh bullshit.
This thing right
You gotta take me for a ride in them motherfucker. They be clean. I ain't gonna Oh good.
Fucking fan, bro.
I'm already done.
You been stupid.
Oh, hey, boy got a jet in the back.
We got the what?
God, that's a G8. That bitch fast too.
This Camaro?
No, that G8, nigga, that great shit right there. That bitch fast and
that
loud.
shit stupid fast.
Man, hell yeah. Like that shit fast too, the Infinity. I don't know where everybody at though, but shit. Hey, Fresh, where everybody at?
You asking me? Like this my meat?
What the fuck? Man, it's nigga's Hellcat. He like SRT, some shit like that. I got this shit stuck. I'm gonna turn y'all back on. Nah, he in the Benz back there. So why you came out here? So you gotta tell them why you gotta tell the folks why you came out here though.
Man, I came out here to promote my business.
Alright, so what's your business? Show the people your shit, bro. Alright, for sure.
And we coming out with some new stuff too.
Okay,
so
for sure.
One-on-one.
Alright, bet.
So if you order, we gonna get you the the spray paint. It's still gonna have the same concept to it with the money. I'll be rich soon and all that.
How long have you been doing this?
I've been doing this since I was in like 8th grade. I'm a senior.
Alright, bet. Keep going there, bro. Keep grinding, bro. Shout your Instagram out so they know to follow you.
The IG is Commotion Clothing with a K. Alright, the K for the commotion and the K for the clothing. With an underscore at the end.
We got some more cars that pulled up. We got a wide body Scat right there. Another what is that? I think that's a regular Hemi. Yeah, that's so. Let me see. Yeah, that's a regular Hemi. No, it's not. That's 392. We got the Camaro SS. We got another goddamn. What is that? Scat right there. And you got a 5.0 over there. Oh, you got a Hellcat back there too. I already got the G8 back there.
Next.
Y'all know what's going on. You got that Hellcat over here with the pink lip. I gotta get that for y'all boys. Good. Hold on, y'all see it with the pink lip. That motherfucker beautiful sitting over there. Y'all see that thing? That bitch beautiful. Good. Oh, this is SRT. Never mind. I thought this was a scat, y'all. But let me go ahead and get this for y'all, boy. Y'all know what's going on. All body Hellcat just pulled up in the morning. We got Poppy Q out here too. Forgot to get him. That's right, car. Forgot to get Poppy Q out here. I got my boy right here, yeah. Stop playing. On God. Oh shit. Yeah, y'all see it.
This boy Slim fake here too. I mean, y'all wasn't even gonna tell a nigga that y'all was coming outside today. It's fucked up.
How you gonna say it's me?
How fake?
How you gonna be me?
You ain't tell me you was gonna be out here.
You ain't tell me you was gonna be out here.
Bitch, you ain't come.
You ain't tell me you was gonna be out here.
First of all, YouTube, don't even listen to this nigga right here. He's cow. He seen on my Instagram today. I asked him to get me out the house, and you ain't even reply back.
You posted on your story for everybody.
Okay, you my friend. You could have said I'm going to this.
I didn't know I was always. He sent it to me.
You know, but you know
He
I
sent
like
it to me.
cars though. But you know I like cars though. You know I like cars.
Hey man, y'all outside though. Y'all outside.
Your ass being fake.
How am I being fake? I'm real.
Ain't nobody got a bottle? You ain't got no bottle?
No, I don't.
Like tell, Fresh ain't got no bottle?
Gotta get 12 pulling up. He trying to shut the shit down. We just chilling. I don't know. We just chilling. Oh God. Oh shit. I don't think we can be out here, y'all. So I think we finna get everybody finna get leaving. You want me to shout out my thing? You want me to shout out my YouTube, man? Y'all know what's going on, man. DeontaTv.
That nigga still ain't moving.
Make sure y'all cut my boy merch, man. He out here grinding since 8th grade. I respect that. He leaving now, though. I don't know what's going on, bro. I hope everybody good. You feel me? Y'all better have insurance. Y'all better have insurance. Or that's your last. They said they finna meet at the gas station. So everybody pull off. Everybody pull off, man. Good. Oh my God, I think I got my boy Fresh at the light. Oh God. No. I'm trying to see for y'all boys. Let me zoom in. I don't know. Oh yes, they pulled him over. Oh my God. They pulled him over. They pulled him over. Oh my God. No. Oh God, I think that shit over with. For real? Nigga. I'm finna go to the crib, nigga. Yeah, he got pulled over. He just made a turn. Probably his lights don't. Damn, it's 3 cop cars behind that nigga. That is crazy. All these cars, my boy got pulled over. That shit crazy. Oh God, out of all these cars. You know how we coming though. It's lit out here though. Not even gonna catch you out, man. Make sure I subscribe for my boy. God.
Hey y'all, so look. This nigga Fresh.
I don't know how that nigga got caught, bro.
He was at the light.
He got caught at the light?
Yes. Damn, my twin got locked up.
How did you beat this nigga though?
I was in that motherfucker, boy. I was on your ass. I was on your ass. I was on your ass, boy.
Y'all on the way home, y'all what y'all trying to do?
No.
Oh.
I don't feel
Yeah, let go! Alright, man, we behind you. Okay. Dang!
That's your screen, nigga.
Oh, they about to hit some shit. Oh, good.
I'm trying to show you, nigga.
I'm a puppy sight.
Look, car right there. Why this nigga trying to jump?
He wants to crash. Oh God, he about to crash. Oh shit, cute. They got the vibes in that bitch. The vibes in that bitch. God, the vibes in that bitch. Okay, pop your shit then, twin. Pop your shit then, twin. I don't know.
Pop that shit, twin.
Pop that shit in, twin. He said 12 right there. Okay, you right.
TRX.
Y'all see the TRX again on good. Oh yeah, pop that shit, twin. Oh yeah, twin.
Oh God.
Man, pop that shit, twin. Pop that shit, twin.
Oh, that's bad. That's bad.
Pop that shit, twin. Pop that shit, twin.
Police just took off.
That's it.
I think they let him go.
Like Z.
Let him go.
Z. That says SRT in the back. He got that shit back.
We got the Tesla. Pop that shit, twin. Pop that shit, twin. Pop that shit, twin.
Let him go.
And
Let him go.
I'm about to call him Zed. Hold on.
Everybody else going.
Yeah, I'm gonna be the last one to go. Fuck that. I'm telling you, y'all gotta play it
All they
smart.
gonna do is follow them niggas.
Y'all gotta play it smart, bro. Let's see if he answer y'all. What they say? What they say though?
They try to say I ran a red light.
What?
Nigga, what you know real?
What?
I'm a YouTuber.
Yeah, come on, let's go.
Did you get it for free though? I'm saying that let you.
I'm a YouTuber.
I'm saying though.
Yeah, we taking them to court. So you know what that mean?
Nigga, I recorded the whole thing, bro. So you good?
You know what that mean?
What?
You ain't finna bullshit me and say I ran the fucking red light when I got the camera in my hand and I was recording the whole time.
Oh yeah, you good? Oh god, nigga, I was
So
recording
they
too.
just gave me a ticket for my registration.
Oh, damn. But I got the address to the warehouse. What you trying to do?
Let go. And then send me that footage too, but let's get it.
Oh, that nigga's outside. Bet. Bet. We outside. Fuck it. We outside. All right, we about to pull off now.
Hey, D, start recording real quick.
All right. And all right, y'all, I'm calling it a night, bro, because 12 kept following them folks, and I'm not with it, bro. So make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and that's the end of the video, man. Y'all know what's going on. What you got to say to the camera?
Hey, man. Like, comment, subscribe, bro.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? See, but you still playing this shit. I told you, man.
You a big ass bitch. You a big ass bitch. You a big ass.
You a whole
You a big ass.
Yes, bro.
You a big ass bitch. It's scary too. Hey man, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. We out.